Hi, I'm Mark Perry here at ISE 2024 for Zytronic. Just going to show you something else we've got on the stand here this year. We're just showing some examples of our patented projected capacitive technology and our expertise and capabilities on glass processing. So just to give you an idea of what we've got some button deck technology here where we've machined the glass to show some jogger wheel effect here, so we can actually machine into the surface of the glass. We can also machine dimples in the glass for identifying locations for the finger and the touch application. One of the other things interesting that we've got here is we've got some floating button technology where we're actually supplying a mechanical button with the power and the data to the button for illumination via the same network of electronics that we populate in the touch sensor. And some other examples as well, some highly impact resistant chemical tempered glass that we also machine very intricate holes in the glass to provide the opening, the aperture in the glass for a mechanical button for a gaming application. Curving glass, we've got curved technology here, so we can actually curve the sensor as well in our factory. We've got capabilities to curve glass in our factory. Also different machining capabilities of glass, so we can machine holes in the glass, different shapes and sizes, so it doesn't necessarily have to be a touch sensor that sits over a display. It can also be a touch surface that could be used for various different applications. If you need any more information about Zytronic, visit us at www.zytronic.co.uk. Thanks for listening. Cheers.